Hello everyone. We are going to realize maintenance and the repair of with the workbench tool continuously. Last time we talked about the structure and sensors around the workbench. So we got to know about the panel or the personal computer PC. This is to control all the machine. On this monitor, we can check the monitor value of many items and including the parameter and so on. The parameter, monitor parameter, just like the temperature, the flow rate, pump speed, and so on. We can monitor it and control it from the panel. The panel also shows the set point. We set up value. We can set temperature, flow rate, pump speed, and process time, and so on. Also, we can see our manual operation function and use it to operate the workbench manually, especially at the maintenance time or repair time. Also, we can do the robotic to set up the robot movement. It's very important for equipment engineer to learn about it. It must be very careful. It can let people injured or break the tool down. So robotic, learn and study with your teacher. And we can see the trend chart. The trend chart just like the temperature, flow rate, and intensity. The trend to check out it if it is long steady. Long steady is very important for any item, and we can investigate some incident by looking for the trend chart. And we can see the workbench condition and the alarm also show at the control panel. First of all, we have to learn about the control panel then we can control the tool. The next, or realize after the basic realizing about the tool. As we talked about before, we are going to learn more detail about the tool, like liquid piping. Liquid piping, we can see the figure just like this. We can see the liquid flow. Flow this way to the pump, and the flow this way to a filter, and the flow another way to another pump, or for the bypass way. It's a figure to show the liquid pump, the liquid piping flow, and take the figure, piping figure, to see the actually piping at the workbench inside, just like this. It's a pump. Pump out this way, and the flow, there is a valve, through a valve to the next station, or bypass to another way to another station. So if the pump or the filter something wrong, we can see and know about the correct parts location, and we will protective suit to repair and maintenance with it, because if it leaks chemical, is hazard and dangerous with our body. So it's very important to wear protective suit to do the job. So you need to know the chemical flow through the piping, its position and its part, just like the filter, valve, pump, including the sensor, the position and its function and its setup point. We got to know about it. It's a long time job to learn about liquid piping inside the workbench. So every time you maintenance and repair with the workbench, you learn about it, a part of it. After a period, you may learn about it all. Now the gas piping. The gas piping we usually say is the air gas or the N2 gas, nitrogen gas. This is the tool gas. What's tool gas? We use the gas to be energy to push the movement assembly. Just the N2 nitrogen gas to push this valve. And we have the gas filter to keep gas clean and dry. The gas can move to the another assembly we call it solenoid valve or something parts. For example, this is the solenoid valve 3. When the signal comes in, the valve releases the gas to the sensor. This is the level sensor to detect the chemical liquid level. And use the nitrogen pressure to detect the level. And the solenoid valve receives the electric signal. It can release the N2 to the valve, and the valve receive the nitrogen gas, and it will open, let the liquid flow, or close to stop the flow. This way is the same. So the liquid flow from a valve and decide to let the valve open or close by the solenoid valve to release the nitrogen gas or the air gas. So as we maintenance and repair with workbench, the new staff engineer needs to spend time to look at and learn the gas piping from a figure to actually pass position, and look at the length and learn how to repair with it or set up with it. Okay, that's all. See you next time.